So guys, in today's video, we are going to learn how we can deploy a Streamlit app online so that other users can try it. So in this video, we are going to be doing just that. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need is a virtual environment, which I have already created. So if you don't know how you can create one, you can simply type python m venv and then you can type the name of your virtual environment. So I just typed this name venv, so that's how I created the virtual environment. So now I'm just going to activate this venv. So I have to type dot slash venv slash script slash activate. So now the virtual environment is activated. Now I have already installed the libraries that I need for my app in this virtual environment. So I'll just show you pip list all, and this will show all the libraries that are installed in my virtual environment. So many of these are just dependencies of what I need. So I'm just going to type here code app.py. So this is the main file that we are gonna write. So for my app, first of all we need to import streamlit. So and the next thing that we need is date time, and the other thing that we need is from date util we need to import relative delta. Okay, so these are the things that I need for my app, and you can import anything that you want for your app. So now I'm just going to type dob equals st dot date input. So I'm going to take a date input from the user. So I'm using this streamlit library for that, and the label will be enter your dob, and the minimum value will be date time dot date time. The year will be 1950, first month and first day. Okay, so this is the user input, and the next thing that we need is present date. So the present date, how we can get that is from date time module. So date time dot date time dot today, and this is how we can get present date. So now what we need to get is the difference between today's date and the date of birth that has been entered by user. So we can get that by using this relative delta class. So we can do that by like, so we can call this delta relative delta dot relative delta, and we can type the first date and the second date. So we want to subtract dob from today's date, and now we just need to type that what we want to show on the web page. So we can use the string library, so st.write, and we can create an f string. So you have been on this earth for delta dot years. So these are the number of years, and delta dot months, so these are the number of months, and delta dot days, so these are the number of days. So this will be printed out on the web page. So now our app is ready. Now I can type here streamlit run app.py. So this will show us the preview of how our app is gonna look like. So I'm just going to run this, and okay, I typed the spelling wrong. Now it should show us the preview in the browser. So you can see that it has automatically opened, and you can see that it is asking for users input. Now here we can type any date of birth we want. For example, I'll just type any date of birth, and you can see that it is showing the output 19 years 3 months and 4 days. So for example, today's date is 15th May, so I can type 15th May 2004, and it shows exactly 19 years, which is perfectly true. So the app is working fine. Now the next step is to make it online so that others can try this app. So for that we have to go to share.streamlit.io, and you have to create your account here and connect your GitHub account. So I have already connected my GitHub account to Streamlit, so that's why it is showing my username here, and I am already logged in. So the next step is to create a new repo. So I'm just going to call this test app and just create this repo and upload our apps files. So my apps files are these. Go to, okay, so this is my app file, app.py. I'm going to open this and upload this on GitHub. So now my repo with name test app is ready. Now I can go to Streamlit and click on new app. Here it will show the repo that I just created, which is test app. So click on that, type here the name of the app file, which is app.py. So, and we can also change some advanced settings like Python's version. So I'm using 3.11, so I'm going to use that. Click on save and deploy. We can also pass in a requirements.txt file if you have many libraries that you want to install in this app, so that will also work. And there is a community on Streamlit, so you can definitely ask some questions there. And a subdomain will be automatically created for you. So because I tried this app before, so that's why it is naming it automatically, that I named it before. But you can change this name. I'm going to show you in a minute how. So right now you can see that my app is live on this website, and I can change the date and it will show the results here. Okay, so now to change the URL, we have to go to Streamlit. And okay, why is it not showing my app here? I have to refresh the page. Okay, my app is not showing here. I don't know what's the reason for that. I guess I can try logging out and signing in again. Okay, so now you see that my app is here, and I can simply go to this settings and change the URL here. So whatever I want to type, it will change my URL. So that's pretty much it. So thank you.